Hello friends, myself Dr. Manisha Sapkar, Bahaseb Desai College Patan. Now in this particular video, let us see how to prepare culture medium in the microbiology lab. Now here, while studying with the microorganisms, we require to cultivate organisms for different types of studies, and for cultivation we need the culture media. All of you know that there are different types of media, culture media, like living media, non-living media. Here we generally uses non-living media for our practical purpose. Non-living media are made up of different organic and inorganic chemicals. Now in this video, let us study one of the best example of the non-living media, and that is the nutrient agar. Here nutrient agar is a semi-synthetic media. Here these non-living media are basically divided as a synthetic, semi-synthetic and natural media. Natural media are the examples of carrot juice agar medium, where natural ingredients are used, and in case of semi-synthetic media, some of the components are natural and some are the chemicals, pure chemicals used. So here today we will prepare the nutrient agar. Nutrient agar is a common general medium one can use for cultivation of all different types of the organism. And once you know the proper method for preparation of culture medium, you can prepare any type of medium in the laboratory. Now let us start from the requirement. Now which requirement we need to prepare the culture medium, that is nutrient agar in the laboratory. First of all, we must require a proper balance to weigh the ingredient. Here you must have the proper composition, exact composition of the nutrient agar that was given in the books. So refer the standard book and know the composition of nutrient agar. Here nutrient agar consists of 1 gram peptone, 0.3 gram of the meat extract, 0.5 gram of NaCl. Agar required is 2.5%. Always remember, in all solid media, percentage of agar is constant and it is 2.5%. pH of the medium is 7.2. So according to this composition, now we will prepare the nutrient agar medium. For that, requirements are, first of all you will require this electronic balance. Then secondly, we must require a pure meat extract. So this is the meat extract. This one is the peptone. This is the NaCl, agar, and we require a pH strip for adjusting the pH. At the same time, we should have a proper quantity of the distilled water. So here we will prepare 100 ml nutrient agar. So I have taken 100 ml distilled water in the flask, clean flask. Now here peptone used provides the carbon and nitrogen and some macronutrients to the peptone is used as a carbon and energy source, as well as it provides macronutrients to the bacteria. All of you know bacteria require carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, phosphorus, some bivalent ions as a major or macronutrient. So this peptone provides all these macronutrients. This meat extract is used as a source of micronutrients. Micronutrients required by the bacteria are some rare earth metals. At the same time, some essential amino acids are also required and vitamins. So this meat extract as a source, used as a source of micronutrient. Here NaCl is not a nutrient, it is used to maintain the osmotic balance of the medium. All of you know that bacteria require a proper osmotic or proper salt concentration of the medium. That is the role of NaCl. NaCl maintain the osmotic balance of the medium. This one is the agar. As we are preparing solid agar medium, here solidity was given by the agar. So this is the agar used as a solidifying agent. So these are the different components. Along with this, we should require a pH strip to adjust the proper pH of medium. Now let us start the preparation of the medium. Now here, before starting the preparation, you should know the required volume of the medium that you require. First of all, decide the volume of medium you are going to prepare. In the standard books, you are given with the 100 ml or 1000 ml of the capacity of the composition. So you suppose you require 200 ml of the medium, then convert that all components from 100 ml to the 200 ml and decide the volume of medium and its components. So now here we will prepare 100 ml of the nutrient agar. I have taken 100 ml distilled water in the flask. Now let us weigh first component of the medium, and it is meat extract. So while using the balance, how to use the balance? This is the weighing balance on which we will take our different components in the proper amount. So first of all, put on the balance, then adjust the zero. So this one is a zero. Take a tissue paper, or you can take any paper. Ensure after placing the paper you should adjust the zero. So make the zero, and then take the, here I am taking NaCl. NaCl required is about 0.5%. So add NaCl. So this is the NaCl. So this is how take a proper quantity of the any ingredient for the preparation of medium. So this is how one can use the balance in the laboratory. So now we have all components taken in proper quantity, properly weighed components we have taken. This is peptone. This one is the meat extract, 0.1 gram peptone, 0.3 gram meat extract, 0.5 gram NaCl, and this agar-agar is 2.5%. So properly weigh the ingredients and then add these ingredients into the specified quantity of the distilled water taken. So first of all, we will add the peptone. Then meat extract. Then NaCl. So add 0.5% of the NaCl. Now always remember, while preparing the medium, agar-agar is always added after adjusting the pH of medium. So in this nutrient agar, we have added meat extract, peptone and NaCl, and now after properly dissolving this component, first of all adjust the pH, and after adjusting pH then add the agar-agar. Always remember this thing, while preparing any medium, agar-agar should be added, agar powder should be added after adjusting the pH. So now how to adjust the pH? You can adjust pH by using pH meter, or you are given with the pH strips. These are the pH strips having different range of pH from 1 to 14. So take the small piece of that pH strip, dip that pH strip into the broth. This is our nutrient broth, and compare the color of pH strip with the colors given, pH range given on the paper. So now it is just below the 7. We require 7.2. So always remember, if you are while adjusting the pH, to increase the pH, to make it alkaline, we require one normal NaOH. So I am adding 1 normal NaOH because our pH is about 7. We require more pH, so I am adding NaOH. Now again check the pH. So now that pH is 7.2. The color of pH strip and that range was matched. So this is the how we can adjust the pH. Remember that when you are adjusting pH, if you want to lower a pH, if you want more acidity, then add few drops of NaCl. If you want to raise the pH, to alkaline side, then add 1 normal NaOH. For adjustment of the pH, then add agar-agar. Always remember, addition of agar-agar should be after adjustment of the pH. So add agar-agar, and now your medium is ready. Raw medium is ready with all ingredients. Then plug the medium properly with the help of a cotton plug, and fold this medium on a hot plate or a gas burner to dissolve this agar-agar, or you can just wrap this medium with the craft paper from the top, and then bind it properly with the help of thread, and now your medium is ready. Label it properly and place in the autoclave for sterilization at 121.5 degrees Celsius at 15 lb pressure for 30 minutes. After proper sterilization, now your medium, nutrient agar medium, is ready for the use.